Are you on the hunt for an affordable smartwatch that doesn't look or feel cheap? Well, you might want to stick around for this one. This is the Aolon Watch Curve, one of the top-selling smartwatches on Shopee right now, and it's easy to see why. For just around 740 pesos, you're getting a stylish, feature-packed, and durable smartwatch that easily competes with more expensive brands. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a casual user, or someone who simply wants to stay connected without constantly checking your phone, this watch has something for you. So what makes it a bestseller? Let's unbox it and find out. Unboxing. What's inside the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Aolon Watch Curve, a magnetic charging cable, and the user manual, which includes the QR code for downloading the companion app. One thing you'll notice right away is the watch's sleek and modern design. But before you get excited and start tapping away, it's highly recommended to fully charge the smartwatch first. It can take up to 3 hours to reach 100% on the first charge, but this helps ensure long-term battery health. Display and build quality. Let's talk design and build. This watch comes with a 2.01-inch IPS TFT HD 3D curved display with a resolution of 240 by 296, which looks sharp and vibrant for its price. The curved screen adds a premium feel, and the display is large enough to make navigation easy even in bright light. The body feels sturdy and well-built, with a bit of thickness that gives the impression of durability, not bulk. On the side, you have the power button, while at the back are the sensors, magnetic charging pins, and the Aolon branding. It also has an IP68 waterproof rating, which means it's resistant to dust, sweat, and water splashes, even safe for use in the rain or during workouts. Just don't take it diving. Battery life. Battery life is one of this watch's strongest points. It comes with a 300 mAh battery that can last up to 30 days on standby mode, and gives several days of real-world use with active monitoring. That's quite impressive for a smartwatch in this price range. No need to worry about charging it every night. Just charge it once and you're good to go for days. Powering on and pairing setup process. Powering it on is simple. Press and hold the side button for 3 seconds and the watch will boot up. To pair the watch with your smartphone. 1. Download the DA Fit app from the Google Play Store or scan the QR code found in the manual 2. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location are both turned on 3. Open the app, set up your profile, go to the Device tab and tap Add Device. 4. Select Aolon Watch Curve from the list of devices and pair. In just a few taps, you're all set. Customization, watch faces, and personalization. What's really cool about this watch is how customizable it is. You can choose from a wide selection of watch faces available in the DaFit app, from minimal styles to more sporty or digital looks. But if you want something more personal, you can upload your own image and create a custom watch face. Just tap Edit in the watch face section of the app. Choose a photo from your gallery and adjust it as you like. It's a great way to make the watch truly yours. Features, what it can do. Here are some of the main features the Aolon Watch Curve offers. 24/7 heart rate monitoring. Blood oxygen SpO2 monitoring multiple sports modes for tracking your workouts. Bluetooth HD calling. Yes, you can answer and make calls straight from your wrist. Step counting, sleep monitoring, alarm, weather updates, music control, and even Find My Phone. These are features usually found in more expensive smartwatches, so getting them at this price point is definitely impressive. And because it's connected via the DAF Fit app, all your health and activity data syncs to your phone where you can track your progress daily, weekly, or monthly. Performance. In actual use, the watch is responsive, easy to navigate, and the screen is bright and clear. The health tracking features work well for casual monitoring. Just remember, it's not a medical device, but it gives you a good idea of your daily stats. Notifications for calls, messages, and apps come through in real time, and the Bluetooth calling works surprisingly well as long as you stay within range. Final thoughts. Should you buy it? Sum it all up. If you're looking for an entry-level smartwatch that offers style, useful features, reliable battery life, and customization, all at a very affordable price, then the Aolon Watch Curve is absolutely worth considering.